want to show you what I'm thinking about doing for my Accusump. So I figured I'll do a quick video so I can actually show something, maybe some thoughts, ideas, whatnot. So yeah, let me flip this around. So I removed my battery here because I'm gonna remote mount the battery in the trunk back there in the dustbin. And what I was thinking was to make a little stand like this, you know, some sort of platform so I can bolt it down, and then have a 45 come out over here, and then run the line all the way down here, kind of away from that, but the hot side, because that'd be bad news bears. But anyways, run the line up to hither, and then so if the oil hits any type of issues, it will just push in pressure right there, so in line with the oil cooler return. So what that means is all the oil coming from this guy, the filter, will go through the cooler and then replenish the Accusump as well. So I have this electronic check valve to open up if it senses any type of low pressure situation, you know, rush the oil back into the system. What will happen is it'll recharge the oil system if it's not demanding oil. So just want to share with you a few thoughts on that. So that's the best spot I can think of to add that Accusump. Originally I did want it right down front, but yeah, look at that. There's not exactly a whole lot of room for anything else right in there. So if I add that in, it'll start blocking airflow and whatnot, and I won't be able to duct air up to the hood. So, and besides, I got a bunch of other plumbing and stuff that's gonna go through there too. So that is what's happening with this. What's your thoughts? Do you have any thoughts? Anyone seeing this? That's fine. So, all right, talk to you later.